So these all formulas you might have remembered right now. You can get to know, right? You can revise once again these formulas. Shall I move to the exercises? Shall I move to the exercises right now? See. Can you factorize this, children? This one, see. Can you factorize this example number 3? Which formula you have to use here? Which formula you have to use here in this? Example number 3. Can you tell me which formula we are using? Yeah, tell.
4x plus y plus z whole square.
4x plus y plus z whole square.
Yeah, sir.
If you do whole square, this will come 16x square. How? Where is 16 here? There is no 16 over here, right? Sai Charan? 16 square plus y square plus z square, like this will come, right? So 4x plus y plus z will not come. Next. So Yanu, you tell me which formula we can apply over here.
I don't know, sir.
We have read the formula, no? A plus b plus c whole square. Do you remember? A plus
Yes,
b
sir.
plus c whole square. So this is same
I
formula.
think I need
only.
more practice for it, sir.
Huh?
I think I need more practice for it.
Okay, all right. So plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca, right? Main formula you should practice, right? So if it is here a minus b minus c whole square, then what we can write? If a minus b minus c whole square will be there, then what we should write here?
Sure, we will write it as 3a.
Listen,
A
children, listen. A square plus b square plus c square remains the same, because if you square positive numbers or negative numbers, it will come same thing, right, children? Is it clear?
Yeah.
If we are squaring negative number or positive number, this will come remains the same. But now here AB is coming. So A is positive, B is negative. So plus minus, right? Minus 2AB plus 2BC and minus 2CA. You understood this part, how why minus is coming over here? Why we are writing minus and here also minus? Both of you are getting? Satvik, this
Yes.
formula we are yesterday, last time you were absent, no? Day before yesterday. Satvik,
Yes, sir. I got disconnected.
what disconnected? Why?
Last time, sir, net issue, sir. Sir, my grandparents' house, sir, for a week, sir. So here the net problem, sir.
Right now we're having proper net.
Yes, sir. Now I have proper net. I don't know in middle if there is no net also. It can be.
On your camera.
Okay, sir.
So why this minus we are writing? Sriyanvi, you are getting or not? Because
sir,
all right.
hello, sir.
Yeah.
Why didn't you put minus 2BC, the minus?
Minus 2BC you are saying it should be there here.
Why, sir? Is it plus?
Because B and C. What is the sign of B?
B is minus,
And C is
minus,
minus into minus.
plus.
That's why it's coming.
Oh,
Clear?
yes, sir. Yes.
Then children, if I write here minus A minus B plus C whole square. Sai Charan, tell me the answer for this.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Think content. Minus a minus b plus c whole square.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, on my camera.
Fine. So yeah, Sai Charan, how much time will it take?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
Sriyani, do you know the formula? This formula?
So I'm fine. Is it a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus minus 2bc and minus 2ca?
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah, it's correct. Sai Charan, you tell me
Sir, 1 minute, sir. About.
what you are doing. You are doing searching something. What you are doing?
Sir, no, sir. I'm calculating, sir.
Why calculation required? See, this formula is common, Sai Charan. See, this formula is common. Okay. Only you have to change these three signs. You take care. This sign, and this sign. Understood? If
Sir,
a
means
and
for
b,
everything a square plus b square plus c square is common, sir.
yeah, because if you square minus a square also, this will come positive only. No, a square plus b square plus c square, whether it's positive number or negative number. If you make it whole square, it will come positive only.
Plus 2ab plus 2bc
Plus, yeah, plus 2ab will come, and bus plus
minus
2ab minus 2bc, then minus 2ca. Understood? Sai Charan,
yeah, sir.
Satvik, it's clear to you what I'm writing here.
Sir, what is it? Plus 2ab minus 2bc. How will
See,
you get them?
See, this is the formula: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, this is a common formula for a plus b plus c whole square. Now this sign will get changed depending on the condition. Which condition? The sign of the ABC. If a and b both are negative, so you should write here positive. Multiplication. See, b and c multiplication, only b is negative, so we're writing minus b. And CA, in CA also one A is negative, so we're writing minus CA. Remember that if minus is coming only odd times, your answer is minus only. If minus will come odd number of times, odd, like 1 minus or 3 minus or 5 minus, so answer will be what? Negative only. Understood, children? Suppose I write minus 1 to the power 59. What should be the answer? Minus 1 or plus 1?
Minus
Then
1.
minus 1.
Minus 1, like that. You should not going to multiply minus into minus, plus minus, minus plus. Don't go in that 59 times. Who will do? Just remember that minus is repeating odd number of times. It means the answer will come in minus only. Understood? So here if you multiplying a and b, so a and b become what? A and b become even or positive, even or odd? Sign is even or odd? Even, no, both minus sign if you add, it become 2, right? That's why you are writing here positive. B and C, if you see, only one negative sign is there. That's why we're writing here minus. Again, C and A, if you see, only coming on A, that is only one. So that's why we're writing here minus. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Now it's clear, Satvik.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm just see this question, children. This type of question, how we can do, children, tell me? It's of left hand side or right hand side part? This part is written in the form of left hand side or right hand side? Like which?
Sir, in the form of left hand side.
Left hand side or right hand side? It's written in right RHS form, no?
Sir, means a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is written in the left hand side, sir. Means in this factorized question.
I'm saying that which type? This LHS part is like this,
Yeah,
no?
sir, in right hand side type,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So we have to bring the answer in left hand side like that. Okay. If it is mentioned like RHS type, we have to bring the answer in which form? LHS type. So here, this is not whole square. This is 4x square, children, here. This is not whole square. What is given here? Only they have given here. What they have given here? 4x square. So first of all, first step is you have to write in whole square form. First step. First step means you should write in whole square form. Is it clear, children? 2x whole square plus y square as it is plus z square minus 2xy. 2 into x into y. See, same thing is coming
Sir,
or not?
Sir, I think it's 2x minus y minus z, sir.
Wait. You are just think in your mind and just match what we are doing. Okay. Sai Charan, keep in your mind, write somewhere. After solving, you'll get to know. Just match your answer with this. Okay.
I mean, it's like the third one, sir, which we did before.
Yeah. Let me check. So this step is clear or not? That you try to understand. First three, you are not having any doubts. You have to make it whole square. Next, 2xy minus 2xy, because here minus sign is given over here. So minus 2 into 2x into y. Then minus 2yz, yz as it is, plus 2 what? Xz. Remember, children, where is positive? There both the terms are both negative or both positive, right? Both negative or both positive. Is it clear? Where x, this is positive, it means either x and z are both negative or both are positive. Is it clear, Shriyanvi? So here x and z, if you let x and y, x and z is negative. So what is the answer will come? 2x minus y plus z whole square. If you expand, the same thing is coming, just look into it. The same answer will come or not, just check. Where positive is coming, that thing you try to get positive only. Almost 90% of the cases, that will come always what? Positive. This both will become, both are positive. X and Z will become positive only. Is it clear? Just see once. If you expand, same answer will come or not?
Sir, I think it's minus 2x minus y plus z whole square, I think, sir.
What? Tell me once again, right here. Minus.
Minus 2x minus y plus z whole square.
Okay.
So means it is in the form of the before question, sir, which we did last one.
Okay, 1 minute. We'll just try to do this one. See, x and y is negative. See, Sai Charan. Here x and y is coming negative, but here if you multiply, you'll get positive. See?
Yeah, sir, 2x.
Yeah, that's why. Understood?
Oh,
But don't apply any other brains and all here right now. Just simple you think that which is positive, no, that those digits are almost 99%, those are positive only. Okay. So here x and z is positive. So this will be x and z are positive, 90% of the cases. Is it clear, Satvik?
sir, it's correct, sir, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear, Sam? You know how to find easily? All right.
Yes, sir.
So next, this is the basic concept got over of this polynomials. Okay. Basic concept of polynomials got over. Now we are moving to the next exercise, I think. First exercise, 2.1. See, here they have mentioned which is polynomial, which is not. I told you the first day itself, by seeing itself, which is polynomial, which is not, you can say. So first question is for Sai Charan.
It's polynomials.
4x square minus 3x plus 7. Is it polynomial or not?
Yeah, sir, it's polynomial.
Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? All are one variable only. And which are not? So this is one variable, so this is polynomial. Polynomial. Second question is for Satvik.
But
What happened?
the last one is not in one variable, sir.
Yeah, exactly. Satvik, second one you say it's polynomial or not?
Sir, it's not, sir.
Why?
It has a root.
See, I told you root should be not in variable part, okay, not in
Exactly,
constant. So this is constant or variable? Root 2 is constant or variable?
It's a constant, sir.
The constant root is coming, not a problem. Variable should not come in root. What things I told you should see? Three things I told Sam. The first one, what I should tell? Polynomial should be not have what?
Sir, it should not have root.
No, yeah, it should not have root. Next. Next, tell me, Sai Charan.
Sir, it should be not in the form of fraction, sir. The variable.
Yeah, fraction also should not be there. Means this all we are talking about variable only. Variable should not be in root. Variable should not be in fraction. Next, variable should not be have negative powers. Okay. Variable should not have negative powers. We have read all right.
Yeah, sir.
So constant part is coming root or whatever it is coming. Don't bother about that. This is should tell polynomial only. Third one, Sriyanvi, you tell me 3 root 2t plus t root 2.
So is it not a polynomial?
Why this is not a polynomial?
Because 3 root t is having a root on the variable.
Okay, fine. So power is 1 by 2, right? T to the power 1 by 2, that is variable. That's why it's not the. What about y plus 2 by y? Who should tell me? Yeah, Sai Charan, tell me.
Yeah, sir, it's not a polynomial.
Why it's not a polynomial?
So as it's in the fraction form, sir, means the variable.
Where is fraction from? Power should be not in fraction now. Power
Only the
should,
powers,
yeah, only power should not be fraction.
then it's a polynomial.
No. Satvik, you tell me
Sir, it's not a polynomial, sir,
why it's not a polynomial?
because it has a fraction.
See, I told about fraction should not be where in the variable. Fraction should be no other. Variable to the power fraction should not be there. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But here variable power is not they mentioned over here now. The first of all, children, what to do? Sriyanvi, you tell last.
It's not a polynomial because the variable is in a fraction.
Variables in fraction. Where it is fraction? Variable
2
power should be
by
in fraction.
5.
Variable power should be in fraction, right?
Yeah,
But here variable power is how much?
1.
It's not in fraction now. Is it clear why it is not a polynomial?
Yeah, sir.
Oh,
Huh?
got it, sir.
Yeah. Satvik, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Because y to the power minus 1 is this. That's why power should not be negative of variables. Next, last one. This is wrong only because what this is two variables are there. 3 variables actually. 3 variables. So this is 3 variables. Okay. Now next question is. So question number 1, you people are not having any doubts, right?
No, sir.
Satvik, I'm waiting for your camera. I'll remove you. You know, I'm not seeing from a long time. What you are waiting? Why you are hiding? I don't know.
Sir, I turned on my camera, sir.
Now it's okay, but before only you are not owning, that's why I don't know. The next one, write the coefficient of x square. Tell me here in the first question is 2 plus x square plus x. Here is 2 minus x square plus x to the power 3. And this one is, what is mentioned here? 1 by 2 x square plus x. Then here root 2x plus 1. Yeah, first question is for Satvik. Tell me, what is the coefficient of x square?
Sir,
Coefficient of x square. In first question, 2 plus x square plus x. What is coefficient of x square? You know what do you mean by coefficient? X square before what is
Sir, it's-
mentioned? It's what?
2.
No. See, 2 plus x square. The x square before you should see here what is mentioned. Plus after you should see in multiplication form whatever it is there. No, that should check. So nothing is mentioned, right? Before x square, nothing is mentioned in multiplication. So what should be the answer for this? 1. Okay. If it is like 2 plus 9x square, then x square coefficient is what? 9 plus 9 you should tell. If it is there 1 minus 5x square, the coefficient of x square is what? Minus 5. Is it
Sir,
clear?
Sir, if there is nothing, should we put 1?
Yes.
Okay.
If x square before what is there? Nothing is there, which is 1 only. 1x square is there. Okay. Okay, next. Sai Charan, tell me. 2 minus x square plus x to the power 3.
So it's minus 1, sir.
Third one, Satriyanvi.
Sir, is it 1 by 2, sir?
Yes. Next, Satvik. Where is x square in this? X square is there anywhere, Satvik?
No, sir.
Then what is the coefficient?
Sir, 0.
Next, third question. Sai Charan, tell me. Give one example each of the binomial of degree 35. Binomial means what? What is binomial? Shriyanvi.
Does it have 2 terms, sir?
2 terms. Very good. And binomial and monomial degree is okay, fine. Binomial has 2 terms. So one example of binomial of degree 35. Tell me, Sai Charan.
So 2x plus 1 to the power 35, sir.
2x plus
1 to the power 35.
1 to the power 35. See, degree means what? Variable
Oh,
power
yes.
we are saying, right?
2x to the power 35 plus 1, sir.
Yeah, you can write like this. 2x to the power 35 plus 1. Next, Satvik, you tell me the same answer. I'm just giving the answer for this. Binomial of degree 35. Satvik, tell me any other formula. Any other example actually? Why you're opening your camera? I don't know.
Sir, I turn it on, sir. It's on only for me.
Okay, I don't know. Because right now we can't see.
Okay. So 1 minute, sir, I'll check it on.
Shriyanvi, you tell monomial of degree 100.
X
Monomial.
to the power 100?
Wow, super. That's it. Tell any other examples, Sai Charan.
Sir, 2x to the power 50, y to the power 50, sir.
Like this.
Yeah, sir.
Satvik, can you hear now?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Sir, we can't put more than 3 terms, right? I mean variables.
Monomial means only one term, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many terms are there? Only one term, right? This is one term
Yes.
completely. Correct? No.
Yes, sir.
Two variables are there. That's fine. But monomial means what? Having only one term. I'm asking about this one. Tell this one binomial of degree 35. 2x to the power 35 plus 1. Next, you tell me. Satvik, maximum 35 you take. No, what else there? Y to the power 35 plus anything you can write. Your wish. Degree is 35 is your
So
wish. Huh?
So I have one more, sir.
Huh.
So 2x, so 2x to the power 10 whole power 2, sir.
What you are having?
Sir, 2, so the screen share is off.
Yeah. Just it was not coming. That's why he removed. Tell now.
So it's 2 into x to the power 10 whole power 2, sir.
Yeah. So what you are saying again, you tell?
So 2 into x to the power 10 whole power 2, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, means whole power is only for x, sir.
What you are saying, I don't know.
So means 2 into x whole power, like, sir, means not for, sir, means I'm telling it's for only x, sir.
How much?
Sir, yeah, sir, like that. X to the power 10 whole power 10, sir. Whole power 2, sir.
Like this.
No, sir. Whole power 10, sir.
What you are saying, man? 35, how it will come?
No, sir. 10, yeah, sir.
How 35 will come here?
No, sir. Means I'm telling that leave, don't keep whole power for 2, sir. Only keep it for
2 you
x,
leave.
sir.
2 is not there only, you leave that.
Yeah, sir.
Then what? How 35 is coming?
No, sir, not that. I'm telling for monomial, sir.
The monomial you are saying.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. This is why you are writing there. X to the power 10 to the power 10 like this.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. Tell me example for this, Satvik. Satvik, you
Sir, for
understand?
monomial or binomial?
Binomial, you tell, binomial.
Sir, 2x to the power of 35 plus 5, something like that.
Same thing only you wrote.
Or-
Y to the power
or-
something and all you can write, right?
Yes, sir.
Y, Z, anything to power 35 you can write. Or you can write y to the power 5 whole to the power again 7 plus 5. Like this also you can write. Okay, next question is write the degree of the following. You should write degree. What is degree, Satvik?
Sir, the highest powers.
Okay, highest power of first one, Satvik will tell 5x square is to the power 3 plus 4x square plus 7x. Tell me, degree.
3.
3 is a degree. Okay, very good. Next, Satvik, sorry, Sai Charan.
Yeah, sir. 2, sir.
Next, Shriyanvi.
Sir, is it 1?
Yeah. Then Satvik, 3.
So it does not have any degrees, sir.
So x to the power 0. Anything x to the power 0 is equal to 1 only, no? 0 is a degree. If I tell what is the degree of 3t to the power, sorry, root t to the power 90. What is the degree for this? What is degree for this? Shriyanvi will tell me. Tell Shriyanvi, what is the degree for this?
Sir, is it 88? I just guessed it, sir.
How? Don't guess. How 88 will come?
I actually don't know, sir.
See, root 2 power is what? First, this is root 2 is coming. It means t to the power how much? 1 by 2?
Yeah,
1 by 2 into 90. How much will come? 45 plus 5t. What is the degree now? 45, right?
45. Okay.
But actually, root t should not be in what? Root. So you can solve also, not a problem, children. If you can solve, you can solve also. So this is very different type of question. Okay. Very different type. Root 90 can be written as 1 by 2 into 90. If it is given like that, 3 root t to the power, if they give like this, if power they give 5 here, then what you should do? This is not a polynomial. So this is not a valid question, not a valid question, because this is not a polynomial only. This is what? Not a polynomial, not a polynomial. And polynomial will not have any degrees. Okay. If it is not a polynomial, it is not a degree. Is it clear? If
Yes,
if your polynomial is not a polynomial, if your term is not a polynomial, we can't find degree. Okay. So this example is actually not a polynomial, but we have converted it into polynomial form. T to root t to the power 90 is nothing but t to the power 1 by 2 into 90. So it became 3t to the power 45 plus 5t. So here degree is 45. Clear? Okay, very good. Next, we'll move to question number 5. X square. What classify the linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial, children? Linear, quadratic, and cubic. X square plus x. Tell me, Sai Charan.
So quadratic.
Quadratic.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, this is quadratic. Next, Rianvi, next question. Second one is can you see the question? Sriyanvi, can you see the question?
Now I can see the question, sir.
Yeah, x minus x to the power 3. It's which polynomial is this?
Is it quadratic?
What is quadratic polynomial? Sriyanvi?
I mean cubic, sir. Cubic.
Yeah. Satvik, third one.
sir, it's a quadratic.
Yeah, why it's quadratic?
Sir, it has a power 2.
All right. Next, Sai Charan, 1 plus x.
So it's 1 plus x, sir.
Yeah,
It's linear, sir.
it's linear. Linear. Next, Satvik, 3t.
Sir, it's also linear, sir.
R square. Is it clear now to everyone?
So
Yeah,
the
sir.
first one is linear, right, sir?
Cubic. Fifth one is cubic, right?
Last one, seventh one.
Yeah, this is cubic. This one is all right. So that's for this first say this much only is there. If you check into it, 2.1 is this much only. Then we start 2.2. Okay, all of you children go and come. There is only 1 minute time left. Okay. Again, you join off.